All right, I'm going to turn on the generator. I've got it labeled. So you're going to hold down on the prime button, that is currently the stop button, until the light comes on. You let go and then press down on the start button, and you'll notice it fires right up. I just gave it a fresh oil change here this morning, and it fires right up every time. I always took good care of it. I've also recently changed the air filter, the fuel filter, and the spark plug on it as well. But you can see it fires right up, and it works very well. Take good care of it. So I'll go ahead and turn that off.